So, got these about a week ago. Honestly, was initially pretty impressed with the wheels, not so much the bearings. And I'm honestly still impressed for the price. Couple of cautions. Don't leave it in direct sunlight. They will heat up and they will get softer than a sponge. And it'll take you forever to make sure that it doesn't have a bunch of flat spots. And it'll get some wobble out of it. But yeah, other than that, they're not terrible. And the bearings that came with it kind of are. But for the price and for what they are and what I'm going to use them for, I'm totally satisfied.
So as you can see here, the tie wrap was broken or cut, and I have 3 of the 3/4 inch bushings and only 1 of the 1/2 inch, period. I bought these tires because I need 1/2 inch, so let me know how to handle this. Thank you.
Well, that one's good. My pool popped. That one's good. Those two got the most weight. That one's half flat. That one's 3/4 flat. Put them on yesterday. Thought they weren't supposed to go flat. This one's got the least weight on.